Hello ladies and gentlemen, I thought I'd do a quick video for you for one of the questions that you're working on for the review. I think it's question number, hold on, let me check. It is question number 60, so I'd like to take a look at question number 60. A couple of you have asked me a question on that one. So it's number 60, and it's sine of x divided by 4 equals root 3 over 2. Okay, so, and they also want all of the answers on a value of x, I think it was, x being between 0 and 2 pi, 180 degrees. So x being between 0 and 2 pi. Okay, so to do this question, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at this, and I'm going to realize that we're looking at a function. The function is sine, and this is a domain, and this is a range. So this is going back to my idea of really reading it and understanding what they're asking. So they're giving you a range value, and they want you to go back and figure out what domain gives this range value for this function. Well, normally, I take a domain, I take a range, and we would take the sine function, and we would take a domain over to a range. But in this case, we want to come this way. We want to take this range value, we want to bring it back onto the domain. We want to know what value gives this. To do that, you use what's called an inverse function. So we're going to use the inverse of sine to do this. So what's going to happen is I'm going to say that x over 4 is equal to the inverse of root 3 over 2. And so really what this is, this inverse of root 3 over 2, this is an angle. This is the angle that if I put into sine, right? This is the angle, or the value that if I put into sine, that's right, will give me root 3 over 2. Now this angle, if I think about it using special triangles, is going to be 1, 2, root 3, and so it's going to be pi by 6, pi by 3, 90. So this is the sine function. The sine function is opposite over hypotenuse. So which angle will have root 3 as its opposite? Well, if I take a look at this, root 3 as its opposite is going to be pi by 3, and its hypotenuse is 2. So the angle that has root 3 as its opposite and 2 as its hypotenuse is going to be pi by 3. Now that's one answer. So one answer to this is going to be pi by 3 on 0 to 2 pi. But they told you that we want all the answers, all the positive answers for this between 0 and 2 pi. So this is pi by 3, which again is 60 degrees. Our next answer, using the cast rule, is going to be C, A, S, T. So it's going to be positive over here as well. So this is 60 degrees. Well, if that's 60 and if that's 60, this must be 60. So if I want to talk about this angle, it's going to be 160 plus 260. So that's 1 pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. So my other answer here is going to be 2 pi by 3. So these are my answers for x by 4. But they don't want to know what x divided by 4 is. They want to know what x is. So we're going to multiply everything by 4, and we're going to get a final answer of x equals 4 pi by 3 and 8 pi by 3. And that'll be the answer to this question. Hope that helps. I'll put that up for you, and we'll talk to you soon.